Okay, so this is what the finished cable will look like. It'll a few rows looks like that. Before my camera died, I did go ahead and knit across the row. So now I'm on the second row in the pattern. It calls for knit 4, purl 12, knit 4, but I only cast on 18, so I'm knit 3, purl 12, knit 3. Regardless, cabling is really very simple, and it looks more difficult than it is. All you're doing is doing the cable for one row. Normally, every cable pattern is different. This one I think is called a horseshoe pattern, maybe. I think so. It looks like a horseshoe, but there's a bazillion types out there. But just showing this one to you because it's the pattern that Kristy may be using. Okay, so I'm on the third row. Third row again. Ooh, I think the third row is is the third row a cable row? Okay, it's going to be. I'm just going to pretend it is anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so do 1, 2, 3. The first cable stitch is C6B, I think, back. So basically what you're doing is looking at the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're taking the first 3 stitches and moving them onto a different needle. You can use a different needle. It doesn't matter the size. I've used bamboo skewers before. I've used a pencil before. It doesn't matter. Basically, you're just taking these stitches and putting them on something else while you work with the next 3 stitches. So I'll move these 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and I'm moving these to the back of the work. Okay, moving back, and I'll just ignore those for a second. Then I'll take the next 3 stitches. Ooh, hold on. It's a slipper. Take the next 3 stitches and knit those. 1, 2. Ooh, sorry. 2 and 3. Now you will move the stitches that you took and put on your cable needle or your other needle and knit those. So basically you've taken these 3 stitches and pulled them over those 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's empty. And now with this cable stitch pattern, you're going to do the next. So you're going to do a C6F, which is cable 6. F means front. So you're going to take these 3 stitches, the first 3 stitches, move them onto a different needle. 1, 2, 3, and hold these stitches in front. And knit the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then knit those 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Well, hello. Okay, and then that's empty. And then the pattern is continue 1, 2, 3. Now, when you do your cable row, it's going to look all funkified. It's not going to look very good. So then the next row is a knit 4, purl 12. In my case, knit 3. 1, 2, 3. And I don't know if this is normal, but these stitches are a little tight. on the pearl, excuse me, on the cable row. You can hear Tilly in the background yelling. Something that's not uncommon in this house. And knit 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do 1 knit row, and that should show you enough of how the cable works out.
Yes. What's up, Peas? How are you? Things are going great. All I need is about 2 more feet of snow, and then I'll go really crazy.
Too much light on this. Sorry about that. I wish I could sing. I'm singing you a song.
Oh yeah, we knew the pipes went
Okay.
a couple days after New Year's Day.
Ta-da. And this is how it's going to look. Ooh, baby. That's the next cable. This is the first one I did before I started this. And this is this one I just did right here. And then of course I'm going to do like another pearl, another wrong side row, which is the wrong side. And then I'll do another right side, so it'll lengthen out a little bit. See, it's just very, very simple. All you do is take the stitches, pull them either front or back while you work on the next stitch. Either front or behind while you work on the next stitches. Ta-da!